Hi guys, welcome to the Laravel 11 course. So today in this course I'm going to integrate the admin dashboard in the Laravel 11 application. So which dashboard I'm going to integrate this, right? So just click on this one is our dashboard, where you can see this. It's much prettier, right? You have option with the form imports, right? You have different forms, validations, different types of boxes and so on things. You have e-commerce functionality, you have calendar functionality where you can add those events and schedule them. There is a pop-ups. Here just click on this and then this will be pop-up. Then journal pages like profile page, portfolio page and so on things, right? And then you can also visit other advanced elements. So this one is I'm using the free version, right, for the educational purposes, right? And if you want to purchase the full theme, you can go here on this website and you can also download this, right? You can download the testing version, or also you can purchase the whole theme if you want to use it for your business purposes, right? So this one is a disclaimer that I'm using this for the only testing purposes, right? Only for the testing or educational purposes. Okay, so I have already downloaded this, right? So I'm going to now integrate this into my application. So I'll also add this link in the description so you can find this out. Okay, so now how I can integrate this into my application. So I have installed a fresh installation of Laravel 11, right, and created a new database which name is admin dashboard. And here I'm going to now connect this with my application. So I'm going to use MySQL, not SQLite, and then my database would be the admin dashboard, something like this. And now I'm going to migrate the column here using PHP artisan migrate, right? My database is connected now. Let's clear this out and here let's say click on this dashboard and we got the tables, right? Now I'm going to basically install the starter kit, right? Just go to the laravel.com. I'm going to move to the Laravel 11 official documentation and just click on this starter kits, and there are a lot of starter kits. So I'm going to install the Laravel Breeze, right? It's much simpler and then it's the recommended one. So just click on this Breeze. It's going to install, and then later on what I'm going to do this, I'm going to install this using Breeze install. Okay, it's almost completed, and now I'm going to migrate my database here. So just copy this PHP artisan migrate. It's now installing node dependencies. Okay, so it's almost done, right, and compiling our assets for the production. Yes, it's completed. I'm going to migrate my database. So it says nothing to migrate, so let me run this migrate fresh. So it will drop all the tables and recreate them, right? Perfect. And after that we don't need to run this because now Breeze did this for us, right? Compiled the file and then install the npm. Okay, that's it. And if I now visit my application, let's get refresh, and yes, we got the login page and register page. Just go back. Why it's appeared here? Just get refresh. Still on the Laravel 11 it's appeared here, not on the top. Okay, it's big change. Here I'm going to say into my adinazi801 at gmail, and then the password would be 128, and then this would be also 128. Just click on this register, and yes, I'm registered successfully and also logged in, right? Here I'm going to implement my dashboard, right, in the dashboard. So just open the web.php file. I'm going to basically open the dashboard functionality. So basically dashboard is returning from this view file only, right? Here I can open this dashboard and it's extending the layout. So how I need to organize this, right? So I can use the dashboard controller separately, right? Or I can use this stuff, right? So I'm going to basically create a new layout here. I'm going to not going to override this because it will also affect the profile and those stuff, right? I'm going to create here my master file, and then I'm going to use this in the dashboard stuff, right? So let me check the video size. Okay, I'm going to do this here. Let's create a new file here, which name is admin.blade.blade, or you can say that auth.blade.php, something like this. Okay, and here you can paste your stuff. So which stuff I'm going to basically pull the code, pull my theme code. Where is the theme? Admin dashboard, and this would be the coronavirus. It would be the virus, right? So here in the pages I'm going to go to the samples, and I'm going to install this through this blank page. First I'm going to import this blank page, and later on then I'm going to work on other stuff, right? So here I'm going to now open this into the Sublime, open this here into any of the text reader. I opened it here, and now just copy everything and go here in the VS Code and paste it, right? I pasted this stuff, and now I need to here I'm going to say admin dashboard, right? Admin dashboard or auth dashboard. Auth dashboard would be auth dashboard, and then I need to fix the styling issues, right? Those stuff, and those things, and then I'm going to also get save and just go to this dashboard. I'm going to basically I'm going to open my this file, this auth.js. So here I'm going to say auth.layouts.auth, right? So this will extend this functionality, and I'm going to say let's get refresh and let's see what's going to happen. And yes, it's look like this because we need to fix the styling issues, and then also I need to fix the JavaScript issues, right? So I'll do this in the next video using the Vite bundler, right? Vite is added in the new Laravel version, so we'll use Vite to compile our file. So I'll do this in the next video. Bye bye.